This is called Little Island, and this is the north shore of it, and we're intending to hike from the north side over to the south side. There's supposed to be some great Thule remnants, and as you can see, it snowed last night. A winter house. They just dug down in.
Yes, so you would also kind of duck down, have this sort of square shape. We'll see that from up there.
Uh-huh.
But always a subterranean entrance facing to the sea. This is always always the same, no matter where you find the winter house.
If I move a few feet over,
a shelter over here, just for the darkest winter hours. But the kayakers totally circumpaddled the island. They just kind of, took a tap here, but that's often the bits and pieces that come with shape very smooth. And so they use those rather than the local bedrock to build up their walls, but very well preserved. You see the walls here, pretty much intact still.
Right, they stay nice and cozy down there. Out there, the reason they pick this particular area is the water is called Polonia. Never freezes because they've got the warm currents underneath from the ocean. So surrounded by these sea ice, but they could spot their seals, marine sea life. The depressions are all winter houses.
Vegetation overgrowing it already. Wait,
Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous rock.
In between the houses,
These are meat caches.
You would have your caches relatively close because we have hardly any daylight in the dark of winter, so you don't want to go too far, as square as the other one, but still really, really visible. And I find with the snow on top, it even helps to make it even more visible because you really, really see the shape of it.
Does anybody know why they built in a square rather than round? I guess not. It is a miserable day in East Greenland. It's windy, and right now it's raining. Nasty, nasty, nasty. You can see we had fresh snow. And of course the rain is turning to snow on the mountains. There's a hunting cabin out there. The reason you see no wildlife in this particular area is because hunting is legal. There's a restriction on how many animals they can take, but it's still subsistence living.